Welcome to Splash 360. The Splash 360 Marketing Cloud is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that gives you all the best online marketing tools to design, deliver, and sell better than ever. Let's take a quick look at how you can get started with Splash 360 and take your marketing to the next level. It takes just a few seconds and you don't need a credit card to sign up. But please note that you'll get much better results if you use a business email address rather than a generic email account like Yahoo or Gmail. Cool, you've got an account. Now, go to your email inbox and activate it. Use the secure username and password that you created to log in. Okay, we're going to kick the tires in the free trial for now, so we can just close the Buy Now prompt. As you're going to be creating stunning email marketing campaigns that get results and create a buzz with social media, we're going to need to get your profile and social accounts set up. The subscriber profile information is required to send email marketing campaigns. Connecting to your social accounts is super easy. Just select the social account in the right panel and it'll automatically prompt you for the required information. Now that you're connected, you can easily nurture and build brand loyalty with social media and auto-post all your email campaigns to your social feeds. Now watch your marketing go viral. Alright, now that you have your account and profile set up, you're going to want to add or import your contacts into the database. But before you start adding your contacts, you may need to add a few custom fields so that all of the data that you're importing will have an associated field in the database. To do this, go to the Contacts page and expand the More Details section. This will display the detailed contact information, which includes the custom fields. Then, select the Add Field button to add a new custom field or edit an existing one. Now that the data fields are set, you can proceed to add contacts into the database. You can add contacts individually by selecting the Add Contact button and entering your contact information, or you can import a contact list by selecting Import Contacts from the option dropdown. If this is your first time importing contacts, refer to the Importing Contacts tutorial that will step you through this entire process in detail. An effective and successful marketing campaign begins with the perfect list. To build your perfect list, go to the Leads page to create a highly targeted list of sales leads and potential customers, backed by quality data. You can watch this and many other helpful videos anytime on our video tutorial page. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and sign up for free today. With Splash 360, you have a powerful task manager that captures and prioritizes all of your important activities. It's a beautiful way to increase your productivity and simply get things done. The Action Items view gives you instant visibility for what you have going on for the day, with a focus on date-specific actions like meetings, scheduled calls, and tasks. To-do items are actions that you need to get done but that are not date-specific. You can order them by priority by dragging them above or below each other. To view all of the activities for a specific date, just click on the Date and Time field. If you miss a deadline for one of your tasks, it will appear in red, which lets you know that your overdue item needs to be addressed immediately. In the right panel, you can see that your action items are organized into extremely useful groups, like today's activities, start activities, and overdue items. And you can sort them even further by type of activity, status, tags, filters, and more. To add a new activity, click on the Add Activity button. Select the activity type, meeting, call, task, or to-do, select the date and time and click OK. Enter the title for your activity and then select the company or contacts associated with this task. But before saving, just a quick note about a couple of cool options. First, there's the Next Action option, which is selected by default. When the next action is selected, the user will be prompted to schedule a follow-up activity once her task is marked as completed. This encourages upfront decision-making on every contact and milestone. Focusing on that next action ensures that leads and prospects are constantly being moved through your sales process, positioning you for success. Since we're all very busy, click on the reminder clock icon to have an email reminder automatically sent to you with your activity details 1 hour before the due date. Now you can save your action item and you're all set. If you want to edit an activity, simply click on the task row or on the Edit drop-down to the right. You can also add comments or get in touch with a contact associated with your activity directly from this menu. The Action Items Activity Grid allows you to easily link to a particular contact or to link to all activities for a specific date. Clicking on the company name will take you to that contact record and display the complete contact details and activity history for that contact. To complete a task, select the checkbox to the left of the row, and since we've enabled the Next Action option, we can immediately plan our next task related to this contact. To view the history of your completed activities, click on the History icon located at the bottom right of the Action Items page. So that's it, the Splash 360 Action Stream. One look and you know exactly what actions you need to take to get things done. It's simple and intuitive, allowing you to focus on what's important and increase your productivity. Splash 360's robust contact management system is the driving force behind our innovative marketing platform. With Splash 360, you have powerful customer and contact management capabilities that let you capture and organize information about contacts, campaigns, deals, and more. In this quick start tutorial, we're going to take a moment to help you navigate your way through the contact management basic functions. The big benefit here is how we significantly improve the way that you organize your workflow and get things done quickly and effectively. At a glance, you can see that contacts are organized into extremely useful targeted groups, allowing them to be sorted by activity type, status, tags, filters, and more. Also note that the Contact Details view displays the primary contact information and tracks your activity with each contact. Additionally, the contact information can be expanded to display complete demographic details. The Contacts tab allows you to add and delete records, create and manage groups, conduct searches, view history of activities, view and manage your email status, and you can also create and manage deals. Currently, the Details view is displaying information pertaining to the individual contact. You can toggle between your contacts in the current lookup by using the Next and Previous buttons at the top. Another option is to view all the contacts within your current lookup in list form. You can toggle between the views at any time, with the default being the Individual Contact Details view. So that's a brief overview on how you can view contacts. Now, let's take a look at how to add contacts to the database. You have the option of manually adding individual contacts using the Import Contacts drop-down to import a list of contacts from your desktop. Or, a list of contacts can also be purchased and imported through the Leads Generation tab. Now, do you need to search and target a specific type of contact or group? Well, you have three types of searches to choose from: the Quick Search, the Search by Example, and the Advanced Search. Quick Search will search all of the primary fields in your contact database looking to match what you're looking for in your search criteria. Search by Example allows you to search multiple criteria at a time. To go into Search by Example mode, click on the drop-down box from within the Quick Search field and select Search by Example from the menu. This is going to allow you to quickly target more specific matches from your contact database. Advanced Search takes this even further with commands and exclusions. Click on the Advanced Search drop-down box from within the Quick Search and select Advanced Search from the menu. Advanced Search allows you to search all of the contact fields using special commands, allowing you to quickly locate any contact with extremely specific criteria. So there you have it, a quick start into navigating the Splash 360 contact management system. For a more in-depth look, please see our individual component tutorials. Splash 360 is absolutely the easiest way to create bold, high-impact emails that look great and deliver results. One of our top features is a gallery of beautiful, pre-designed templates to get you jump-started. And every template in the gallery is mobile-ready and will display pixel-perfect on any device. Let's get started with a sales and marketing template. Okay, select a category and then select a design that you like. let's take a look at how our drag and drop template builder makes designing email campaigns fast and easy. For this campaign, I want a header above the main image, so I'll just drag that block in from the right panel, and then I'll replace the logo. Also, I'll quickly replace the top social icons with text since I'm planning on having them in the footer. Note that when replacing images, you have the option of cropping your image or scaling it to fit the width. Either way, you can't go wrong and the integrity of the design will always be maintained. Text editing is done inline, just like your favorite word processor app. Notice that when text is selected, the text editor toolbar displays with standard text editing options. And button text is editable as well. The original template highlights 2 products, but for this campaign we're going to use 3. So simply drag the 3 images block into the editor and delete the block below it by clicking on the delete button. While we're editing blocks, let's add a coupon to the bottom of the template by dragging it in. Looking good! Now we just need to update the images and text with our content. We'll start with the highlighted product images. Note here that when you select an image, the toolbar with standard image editing options will pop up. So let's go ahead and update the text. And lastly, let's make the buttons red. Alright, we're done editing the email template and it looks great. But before you send out your campaign, be sure to proof your content and design. Preview mode shows you if any images are broken and if your general layout is working properly. It's designed to give you the best approximation of what the campaign will look like when it's received. Send a test email to your own email address to get the best idea of how your campaign will render. Sending an email is very similar to your favorite email programs like Yahoo and Gmail. Simply click on or start typing into the To field and your groups of subscribers will automatically display for you to choose from. You can select a targeted group or all contacts. We want everyone to know about our new products, so we're going to go ahead with all contacts. In the subject line, let's enter some text like check out our new gear. Okay, now let's go ahead and send out our email campaign. You have the option to send an email now or to schedule the send for a different time and date. Let's send this email campaign right now. As you'll note, we have a really cool social engagement feature. With a click of a button, you can post your email campaigns to your Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn accounts. So there you have it. As you can see, Splash 360 is an absolutely awesome tool for creating high-impact emails that look great and deliver results. Ready to create a buzz with social media? Our social editor makes it super easy to create, schedule, and track social posts. We have a number of features that our customers just love. First, your messages can be posted across multiple networks at once. Simply select the networks that you want to post to, enter your content, and send. With a single click, your content will be posted to Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Our next feature is by far the most popular. It's the ability to prepare content in advance and schedule it to be posted at optimal times over a given period. In this case, rather than posting it immediately, simply choose when you'd like it to post. This really frees up your time. It allows you to easily create a batch of posts rather than being constantly tied up feeding content. Speaking of time savers, if you enter a URL in the social editor, it will auto-populate with the content, allowing you to conveniently share a web article, blog, or a page's content. So, is your content going viral? Get instant visibility into how many clicks, retweets, and mentions you get, as well as the potential reach of your posts without overwhelming you. Yes, we really do make your life easier, so go ahead, engage and connect with more customers today. Print marketing is one of the most effective yet inexpensive ways to advertise your company or organization. And nobody makes it easier to create, target, and send print marketing than Splash 360. Splash 360's print design process starts by choosing a template and ends with a fully edited and personalized product. Our formats include postcards, trifold brochures, letter envelopes, and business cards. Let's take a quick look at just how easy it is to create a direct mail postcard. You can already tell that the pre-built templates give you a nearly finished product, and all you need to do is give it your own personal touch. Okay, let's start by selecting a design. This template looks great, and so let's customize it and make it our own. To begin, let's insert our own logo and start personalizing. When you click on the logo or any other image in the template, it activates the image toolbar, which allows you to replace, modify, or align images. Rather than replacing the logo, which would update it to the exact same size and placement, let's delete the logo and insert a new one. The main toolbar allows you to add an image, add text, change the background color, undo changes, and save your work. Let's select Add Image, and then we'll insert our logo and reposition it to the top left corner. Next, let's replace the main product image. In this case, let's select the image and use the Replace Image button to swap it with our own. Alright, this is looking great and it's super easy. Now let's update our promotional text. Text editing is done inline, just like your favorite word processor app. When you select text, the text editor toolbar will pop up, giving you standard text editing options. Double-click the text to edit, and when you're finished, click anywhere else to update your changes. Now, let's make a slight adjustment to the text width by dragging the side of the text box. We'll do the same with our subline, replace the text and adjust the width so it looks perfect. That's it! Of course, you want to update the backside of the postcard using the same techniques. Before you continue with the print ordering process, it's critical that you proof your content and design. Viewing the PDF preview is definitely the best way to proof everything. This way you can even zoom in to make sure that everything's pixel perfect. Once you've proofed your design, select Approve Design and continue to Step 3, the order process. It's time to choose the print quantity and the recipients of your order. If you'd like, you can choose Send to Me, which is a box set delivered straight to you so that you can distribute your items on your own. If you want to automate the delivery process, check out this cool feature. You can select Send to a List, which is direct mail, and that's going to send your order directly to all your recipients. Let's make this selection. Use the Select List dropdown to select a highly targeted list from your contacts database for your print campaign. If you don't have your own list, you can choose Purchase New to precisely target the right people for your product or service. Once everything looks good, select a date for delivery and set your postage, and then click on Continue to complete your order. Your order will be placed in your cart. From the cart, you can add another print order, print a new mailing list, or proceed with checkout to finalize your print campaign. Designed for simplicity. With the Splash 360 Print Studio, you can create and send direct mail marketing campaigns right from your desktop, all in a matter of minutes. At Splash 360, we offer our customers a secure way to target sales leads and search for potential new customers online, so that you can feel confident about launching a highly targeted marketing campaign backed by quality data. We understand that a successful marketing campaign begins with the perfect list, and our mission is to help you find it. There's over 100 million households in our massive national consumer database. Our trusted consumer data gives you the flexibility and choice to precisely target the right people for your product or service. And with more than 10 million records in our national business database, you can easily create a quality business list to help you get your message in front of the right businesses and the right business contacts. To begin, let's decide whether you wish to target consumers or businesses. Determine your geographical constraints. Then, choose your demographical constraints. Finally, decide the number of leads that you'd wish to purchase. And remember, all your purchase leads are available for download in your contact database. So get started with Splash 360 and let us help you increase your business. The Splash 360 in-depth reporting system gives you instant visibility into your campaign's growth and engagement. It covers everything from tracking your new followers and fans to statistics on the reach of your email and social campaigns. Our intuitive interface lets you access, analyze, and take action on real-time data, greatly improving your marketing performance and effectiveness. Let's take a closer look at some of the reports available to you. The default report view is the Growth Trends report. This report gives you a quick summary of your active email subscribers, Facebook likes, and Twitter followers, all in numeric and graphical formats. This makes it very easy for you to spot trends and adjust your marketing accordingly. For each report, there are useful date range options so you can view all your data by month, week, day, or even a specific date range. All data can be sorted, allowing you to quickly identify your most successful campaign dates. And most importantly, the data is actionable, allowing you to instantly view your subscriber contact records or send an email to a targeted group. For example, if I wanted to view all of my new subscriber records for September 22nd, I simply check that date and then select the View Contacts option. As you can see, it seamlessly takes me to those contact records for review. Moving on, one of the most popular reports is the Email Metrics report. This is a detailed view of your email performance. You can easily measure how your emails were sent, how many were opened, who opened them, and what they clicked on. This is going to dramatically improve your marketing strategy and performance. One of the great features of Splash 360 is the ability to create and schedule social posts. And even better is being able to see the engagement results in the Social Metrics report. The default view displays the engagement metrics for all messages. You have the option to see more detailed data from each social network by using the filters at the top. Also, the engagement metrics for email campaigns that are auto-posted to your social networks are displayed here as well. Stay on top of your sales game with our deal tracking report. Deals can be viewed by their status, active, won or lost, and by active deal stages. While each row of data gives you the details of specific deals, nothing ever gets lost in the shuffle. It's a clean and simple way to manage, track, and close more deals. The Revenue Tracking Report is an awesome tool for viewing your sales by account, product, or referral source. And it further displays details such as revenue by individual companies and the corresponding percentage of total revenue. And don't forget, all this data is actionable. You can easily select a group that purchased a particular product and shoot them an email about an update or new offering. And of course, each report has easy print PDF and export to Excel options so you can take your data offline. At Splash 360, we're all about increasing productivity and simplifying the way you work. The activity log captures all the activities, meetings, calls, and tasks so that you can instantly monitor progress and see what you've accomplished to date. Just like all our reports, it's simple and intuitive, yet packed with loads of data. So transform the way that you track your data and start selling better than ever with Splash 360. Our easy and comprehensive reporting tools will help you instantly boost customer engagement and increase sales.